In general, you look at how much it's going to cost you, and then a safe number is 3 times the cost of the product. In generality, it accounts for your overhead. It accounts for shipping costs. It accounts for the packaging. It accounts for the people that are going to return it. Shipments
Mm.
that get lost. What you should actually do is calculate all that stuff. It'd be like, okay, how much am I spending per month on salary? How much am I spending per month on shipping? How much am I spending per month on all this stuff? How
Yeah.
many units do I sell per month? And then you do all the calculus involved in figuring that out. Usually, when products start getting cheaper, you kind of have to squeeze that a little bit more. When I was selling the Artiboy on the Kickstarter for $29, that was
Oh, wow.
much much less than 3 times. But because I was guaranteed getting that volume, and
Mm.
because there was a lot of ability to save money because it was being all sent out as one batch.
Right.
And then for the mod chips, I'm also selling those at a discount, mainly to generate interest, kind of like as a thank you for people who've already built it before.
Hmm.
But generally, I take the cost and then I times by 3, and then I try to peel it back a little bit to hit a price point that I think is gonna move. That's how I do the pricing on it. But yeah.